Welcome everyone back to Mr. Weather Update. So today, as we're looking at the radar, we can see it is much colder for most areas in England. You can see here, first snow showers in North Scotland, probably hill snow mostly, probably unlikely to go into lower levels. Otherwise, mostly areas getting a few frost areas, as some areas getting to -2, especially in my area. Very little showers for today. That's why in a sort of area, the high shows no precipitation for today. We could still see actually some wintry showers in some areas in northern England, just there. In the coast mostly though, so coastal wintry showers. That is really what we're going to be expecting for now. Looking at temperatures, you can see here much colder than we've seen recently, seeing much more blues. These are obviously freezing gradient colours. Now, there's a few weather warnings I'll have a look at. See here, there's a few expired weather warnings. This one's about to expire. Again, it's about ice. I'll still go over the ice warning, even though it's very close to being closed, really. Still, we could see some icy surfaces over the next few days, so I'll still go through this weather warning. So, icy surfaces leading to destruction and travel conditions. Icy patches on untreated roads and some slips and falls on icy surfaces. We also might see some new showers, sleet, rain as well, and snow, which will be clearing southwards until Wednesday afternoon and evening. This was tomorrow, so this is actually having an impact now, which had a medium likelihood and no impact. But let's have a look at a weather warning, which was for snow for most areas of England. So this is for all of England and south of Scotland as well. Heavy snow may cause some disruption over the weekend. You can see here it's over quite a long period of time, nearly 2 days. So there's a small chance that power cuts may occur as well. That may be affected, so slight chance of routes may be cut off. Travel delays on roads and stranded vehicles. With delayed, cancelled rail and air travel. Outbreaks of rain which will be spreading northwards later on to Saturday. And overnight into Sunday will be having a spell of snow on its northern flank with a little bit. Let's see how far north it's going to go. But when that snow does happen, okay, significant amounts will is possible. Okay, so you can see here on the hills, especially on the hills, but currently parts in the Midlands, Wales, and Northern England, most at destruction. 5 centimetres mostly, with 20 to 30 centimetres over Wales or the Pennines even. We'll also have strengthening winds coming, so we could have an air of light snow. In addition, as the mild air does try to move into northwards, mostly to southern areas, as it dominates in central areas, the snow could turn to freezing rain for a time, which is very dangerous. I believe if that happens, we are going to get a few more warnings, adding to more risk of ice. But if the mild air is able to spread a little bit more north, any snow in the south will be very short-lived, giving uncertainties. This is quite an uncertain weather warning, so this weather warning area does depend, but confidence level does increase in the areas, as you can see. So again, a very low likelihood, so very unconfident warning. So very low likelihood, but a medium impact if it does happen. You can see here it does happen over the course of a few days. I will be having a look at this weather warning to see if it does get updated. And you can see for today here, again, we can see some winter showers in the east, in the coast. That's all we're going to see really today. On to Friday, we can see here a little bit of a cloud moving in from the north, may give some winter showers for the time. But there's a band of cloud moving into Saturday as well, with that front of rain and snow pushing in for most areas. I think it's northern England and Midlands which is going to get most of the snow, because that's where the coldest is area. And it's going to go as far up to Cumbria, maybe even to southern Scotland. We've still got a lot of snow in Scotland anyway, so that won't feel left out. We could still see, I can see here as the snow moves up north, as the mild air moves up, you can see here, you could see some heavy showers in London in the south for the time. So probably in the south we'll be getting some rain just for now. Monday does seem a little bit changeable in the transition period. It will be turning colder again actually. The mild air is not really going to last a lot. And most of them out there in the south. We can see here quite a cold night, got -6 in some areas as well. And our highest temperature is going to be at 2 probably in most areas, maybe 3 or 4 in an area. You can see here that cold air moves further south, getting to minus single digits, -4, -5 as well. You can see here to Friday, it's slightly warmer actually. 4, 5, well, could see mostly 4 or 3 degrees, so could see a 5 in that area. Otherwise, still a little bit below average as well. Now on to Saturday. This is before a mild air tries to push in. Got some more too, so not as much freezing temperatures. You can see here as that weather front does push in for Sunday. You can see here that mild air tries to push in here. Could see a little bit of a temperature inversion here. Our contrast. We've got 12, 13 degrees in the south, very mild air. In fact, with very cold air in the north. But that gets swept away. Again, -4 is still possible for the rest of the week, so does look like the cold air does win out the mild air for now. For any cold lovers, that is quite good. Now you can see here, you can see the snow depth, you can see how the direction it's coming in. Because this is obviously on the hills, 40 centimetres are possible on the hills. Maybe 50. But mostly 10 centimetres in lower level. Plenty of snow in this area. This is where I live, so I'm quite excited for that to happen. You can see you've got that cold air pushing in into floodgates as well, but you can see here on Sunday that another area of cold air pushes in with a low pressure system as well. Could even get even colder air. The temperature gradient does again suggest more cold air. Even though the mild air tries to push in, it doesn't last very long because it gets pushed out again. So there's a few models really that is showing this, but we'll have to see in a few days. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video again. Snow could change. It is kind of uncertain. We could see rain. It may turn back. We'll know in a few days. It's not happening too long, but we are getting high confidence in some areas. It's getting high. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.